Dolphins, the intelligent guardians of the ocean. The sun slowly rises above the distant horizon, casting its first golden light across the endless ocean. The sky shifts from deep indigo to soft shades of orange and pink as morning begins to awaken the world. Below the glowing sky, the sea stretches to infinity. Gentle waves roll across the surface in rhythmic patterns, shimmering under the warm sunlight like a field of scattered diamonds. From far away, the ocean appears calm and silent, a peaceful blue desert that seems almost empty. But beneath this tranquil surface lies a hidden world, a vast underwater kingdom filled with life, movement, and extraordinary intelligence. Fish glide through coral forests. Massive whales travel across entire oceans. Tiny plankton drift with the currents, forming the foundation of marine life. And somewhere within this immense blue world, a shadow begins to move beneath the surface. A sleek form cuts through the water with incredible speed. Suddenly, it rises. A dolphin bursts through the surface in a graceful arc, sunlight reflecting from its smooth skin before it dives back beneath the waves. Another follows. Then another. Within moments, an entire pod appears, leaping and diving together in perfect harmony. Their movements are elegant and fluid, as though the ocean itself is guiding their dance. These remarkable animals are dolphins. Among the most intelligent creatures on Earth, dolphins are marine mammals known for their playful nature, powerful social bonds, and extraordinary cognitive abilities. For thousands of years, humans have been fascinated by dolphins. Ancient sailors wrote stories about them. Fishermen spoke of them as companions of the sea. Scientists today continue to study their complex behavior and communication. But even after centuries of observation, dolphins still hold many secrets. Are they simply playful animals enjoying the waves, or is their intelligence far deeper than we have ever understood? To answer this question, we must dive beneath the surface and explore the hidden world of dolphins, a world where cooperation, intelligence, and survival are deeply intertwined. The ocean acrobats. In the vast kingdom of the ocean, dolphins are among the most agile and graceful swimmers. Their bodies are perfectly designed for life in the sea. Smooth, rubbery skin reduces drag as they glide through the water. Their streamlined shapes allow them to move with incredible efficiency, slicing through the ocean like living torpedoes. Powerful tail fins propel them forward with astonishing strength. With a single flick of their tail, dolphins can accelerate rapidly, reaching speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. This makes them some of the fastest marine mammals in the world. Across the planet's oceans, scientists have identified more than 40 different species of dolphins. Some live in warm tropical seas, while others inhabit colder coastal waters. One of the most famous species is the bottlenose dolphin, known for its curved mouth that gives the appearance of a permanent smile. These dolphins are commonly seen swimming near coastlines and are often featured in wildlife documentaries and marine research programs. One of the most spectacular behaviors dolphins display is their habit of leaping high above the ocean surface. Sometimes a single dolphin launches gracefully into the air. Other times, an entire pod erupts from the waves in a breathtaking display of coordination. Scientists believe these jumps serve several important purposes. By briefly leaving the water, dolphins may reduce resistance and travel faster through the ocean. Leaping can also help them communicate with distant members of their pod. And in some cases, dolphins may jump simply because they enjoy it. Watching dolphins twist and spin through the air can feel almost magical, like witnessing a living sculpture crafting by the sea itself. The language of sound. Life underwater presents a unique challenge. Unlike on land, light fades quickly beneath the ocean surface. Just a few meters below, the water grows dim. At greater depths, darkness becomes nearly complete. In such an environment, sight alone is not enough. Instead, dolphins rely on one of nature's most extraordinary sensory abilities. They can see using sound. Dolphins communicate and navigate through a sophisticated system of clicks, whistles, and pulses. This remarkable ability is called echolocation. When a dolphin emits a rapid clicking sound, sound waves travel through the water in all directions. If these waves encounter an object, such as a fish, a rock, or another animal, they bounce back toward the dolphin. By analyzing these returning echoes, dolphins can determine the exact location, size, and shape of objects around them. This allows them to create a detailed acoustic map of their surroundings. With echolocation, dolphins can detect small fish buried beneath sand, avoid obstacles in murky water, and navigate even in total darkness. This natural sonar system is so precise that scientists often compare it to advanced human technology used in submarines and research vessels. Yet dolphins evolved this ability millions of years before humans ever invented sonar. It is one of nature's most elegant examples of biological engineering. One of the smartest animals on Earth. Dolphins are not only remarkable swimmers, they are also among the most intelligent animals on our planet. Their brains are large and highly developed, especially in regions associated with communication, social behavior, and problem solving. For decades, scientists have conducted experiments to understand the true extent of dolphin intelligence. One of the most fascinating discoveries involves self-awareness. When dolphins are placed in front of mirrors, they appear to recognize their own reflections. This ability is extremely rare in the animal kingdom. Only a small number of species, including great apes, elephants, and certain birds, have demonstrated this level of self-recognition. Dolphins also possess impressive learning abilities. They can understand complex instructions, imitate behaviors, and solve puzzles that require creativity and memory. Young dolphins spend several years learning essential survival skills from their mothers. During this time, they observe how to hunt, navigate ocean currents, and recognize potential threats. Another extraordinary discovery involves dolphin communication. Each dolphin develops a unique whistle that functions almost like a personal name. These signature whistles allow dolphins to identify and call out to specific members of their pod. When a dolphin hears the whistle of another, it knows exactly who is calling. This suggests that dolphin societies are highly organized, with strong relationships and complex social structures. Friends of humans. Throughout history, dolphins have shared a special connection with humans. Ancient Greek sailors often told stories of dolphins guiding ships safely through dangerous waters. In Greek mythology, dolphins were considered sacred animals and symbols of protection. Even today, many people report remarkable encounters with dolphins in the wild. Divers frequently describe curious dolphins approaching them in open water, swimming nearby as if observing these unusual visitors. Some swimmers have even reported dolphins surrounding them when sharks were nearby. Scientists believe this protective behavior may be linked to dolphins' strong social instincts. Dolphins naturally defend members of their pod from predators. In rare situations, they may extend this behavior toward humans. Other documented cases describe dolphins guiding lost or exhausted swimmers toward shore. Although these events are not fully understood, they reinforce the long-standing image of dolphins as friendly guardians of the sea. The dark side of the ocean. Despite their intelligence and adaptability, dolphins now face serious threats in the modern ocean. Human activity has dramatically transformed marine ecosystems over the past century. One of the greatest dangers comes from pollution. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste enter the ocean. Floating debris can entangle dolphins, restricting their movement and sometimes causing fatal injuries. In other cases, dolphins accidentally swallow plastic while hunting fish. Fishing nets also pose a deadly risk. Dolphins often become trapped in large commercial nets designed to capture fish. Because dolphins must surface regularly to breathe, being trapped underwater can quickly lead to drowning. Another growing problem is underwater noise pollution. Ships, tooling equipment, and military sonar systems produce powerful sounds that travel vast distances through water. These sounds interfere with dolphin communication and disrupt their echolocation systems. When their ability to navigate and hunt is disturbed, dolphins struggle to survive. In many parts of the world, dolphin populations are now declining. Protecting the future. Despite these challenges, there is still hope. Around the world, scientists and conservationists are working to protect dolphins and their ocean habitats. Marine researchers are studying dolphin behavior to understand how human activities affect their lives. Many countries have created protected marine reserves where fishing and industrial activities are limited. These safe zones allow dolphins to feed, reproduce, and raise their young without disturbance. Conservation organizations are also educating the public about the importance of protecting marine ecosystems. Because dolphins are more than fascinating animals. They are indicators of ocean health.
When dolphin populations decline, it often signals deeper problems within the marine environment. Protecting dolphins means protecting the delicate balance of life within our oceans. Deep within the endless blue sea, dolphins continue their ancient journey. They travel together in pods, moving gracefully through the currents. They hunt for food. They play among the waves. And they guide the next generation through the mysteries of the ocean. For millions of years, dolphins have thrived in this vast underwater world. Their intelligence, curiosity, and social bonds remind us that the ocean is not just a place of beauty, it is a living network of extraordinary life. The Earth does not belong to humans alone. This blue planet is shared with countless remarkable creatures. And among them, one of the most extraordinary is the dolphin. A creature of intelligence,